This could be the car for you. The 2022 Chevrolet Malibu. The Chevrolet Malibu, the sophisticated four-door midsize that blends luxury and efficiency with safety and sporty handling. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, four-cylinder engine, keyless start, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, steering wheel audio controls, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth connection, stability control. Torn between sporty and practical? Drive an automobile that knows how to multitask. Drive the Malibu.